Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To move selected objects within the Layout Designer window, click and drag the objects from one place to another within the form. To resize a selected object, place your mouse pointer over one of the resizing squares until the mouse pointer turns into a double-pointed arrow. At that point, click and drag with your mouse to resize the selected object in either direction shown by the arrows. Note that you cannot resize multiple selected objects using this method. However, you can make multiple selected objects the same height, the same width, or the exact same size. To do this, first simultaneously select the objects that you want to make the same height, width, or size. Then click either the Height, Width, or Size buttons within the Make Same Button group in the toolbar at the top of the window. The selected objects will then be the same height, width, or exact same size as the last object selected, depending on which of the three buttons you click.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.